Mehanni. And this week's Aqua Tip is a jog, but with a difference. We're doing it to a cha-cha rhythm. So we go 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Push, push, ba, ba, ba. Push, push, ba, ba, ba. Now, I like it because it's interesting. You know, be a client one day. Think, what do they go through? When was the last time you changed your choreography or changed music, like really changed it? So it was completely different. You know, often instructors will say, I change every week. But they'll only change like one song or a few moves, or they'll put a new exercise in. And then, in long term, complain when their clients don't like anything new. It's because you haven't trained them to like anything new. Right? So you need to keep shifting it. But this is an easy one to do, right? Everyone does jogging in deep water. Got my belt on. And we go 1, 2, quick, quick, quick. 1, 2, quick, quick, quick. Notice that I'm pulling my elbows right back on that slow bit. Woo! Push, push, ba, ba, ba. Knees come up and feet drive straight down. Woo! Push, push, push. Out, out, push, push, push. Now I've got my fingers wide open. So when I'm pushing, hands stay open, elbows come all the way back. Notice that the shoulders are moving. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. You want to see that too. What you don't want to see is 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Now my heart rate is falling, and you'll notice I'm getting my breath back really fast because of the hydrostatic pressure. And now it's my workout. Now I'm going to find someone to talk to because this is not challenging me in any way. So get them to pull back. They've got to pull back. They've got to lift the shoulders back. And I would say get them to lift their knee over hip height. So it's up, up, push, push, push. Up, up. On the slow one, of course. The fast one's a little harder for them to do that. Great workout. Easy to change. It's something that they're familiar with. And that's this week's Aqua Tip. Demonstrating the jog with the cha-cha rhythm is actually really easy to do. It's like one of those exercises that as an instructor you're like, whoo, they have to like balance on a frame and on a chair and be a bit like circus away. You can just relax with this, and it's a simple way of going 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. But still, there's some technique involved. So remember, you've got to pull your elbows back. It's really interesting. Been observing some aqua instructors recently, and it's why clients do this, because aqua instructors are doing the same. If you don't pull your elbow back, the range of motion that you've got from here to there is decreased considerably, and so it becomes this. It won't get your heart rate up. So you've got to really encourage clients to pull their elbows back. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. I often talk about the hand coming behind the body, the jaw. Might be slightly an over-exaggeration to what they're doing in the pool, but they're going to aim for it. It's about setting a benchmark rather than going, okay, let's just do what the person with the least amount of fitness can do. All right, so think about pulling back. Spread the fingers really wide. This is an open hand, open finger movement, and when you demonstrate, move your shoulders. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, rather than 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So again, the elbows are not going behind the body. Think about pushing down. I often talk about driving your feet down to the bottom of the pool and holding the body upright, looking up at the crown of the head, and I'll use those sort of cueing technique tips as well while they're performing this move. And that's this week's Aqua Tip.